So now in this video we will see about filters. What exactly are filters? Now we have less tasks, but if you consider that you have many tasks in which you can see different tasks, there are complicated tasks, but you have to sort of them to see how many are completed, how many are remaining, how many are over allocated tasks, and how many tasks are incomplete. Means that comes under critical task. So what you have to do is to see all these things, how we can update it. So we have to see this in video. Now I have made some changes in this. So I have to see critical task here. Milestone is also added. So now let's check the critical task from here. So now see that we have to update something in the whole project. How can we use filters in this, or how do filter help us in it? As you go to the view tab here, you can see the filter option. This is the easiest and simplest option that we have to sort. So now see that you will see different types of filters here. Active task. In active task, you will see all the tasks which are updated or which you have added. So you will see all these tasks here. But as you click on completed task, there is no completed task here. Wait a minute, I will tell this phase 1 task is 100% completed. Okay. So now see, as I go to filter again and click on completed task here, you can see which task is completed. You can see it in Gantt chart. You can use other filters in the same way. For example, I need a critical task filter. As I apply the critical task filter, you can see all the critical tasks in horizontal red bar. Okay, this is critical task that we can sort and find out what is in it. Similarly, you have a date range filter where you have to give start date and finish date. For example, from 27th of August to 4th of September, I have to see the task for September 4th. So in this date, you can give the defined date ranges according to that. Maybe something is wrong in this incomplete task. As you do, it will give you information about the incomplete task. I took the date change, it's showing date 2012. Okay, so according to that, what can you do in it? You can update information about the incomplete task and completed task. Same way, you can check the predefined resource, or you can select resource and you can check the number of tasks assigned for which resource. So you can apply filters like this. If you want to apply custom filters, so what you have to do for that, from here you have to go more filters. So from here you can also give custom filters like task started soon or task with deadline. You have to show that. You can see different tasks like here completed milestone. Like if I apply this, there is not any one completed milestone task. So where is the milestone? Here it is. Here it is also. So these are both tasks. We show this milestone completed. We have done it 100% in task, and I am completing this task 100% as well. So in this, as you will go to filter from here, if you want to take milestone completed, then go to more filters. This milestone are completed. There is an option completed milestone. After it here, all your milestone completed. So it will show only those. So like this, your filters can be used in this. So it has default to, and here there are different types of task filters which you can use in it. Okay, if we want to remove this filter, then to remove this filter, simply go to filter again and simply click on clear filter. So your applied filter will be removed. After that, next was group. So how to apply group in this? So to apply the group, the same way as we saw in filter, the groups also work in the same way. But when we select the group, then you will also get many options below here. So there is active versus inactive, auto schedule and manually schedule, complete and incomplete task, or constant types. So you can sort it by different types, like there is a constant type or non-critical task. So you can group it like this. You have multiple options here. You have milestone or not. You can select the task according to that or group it. Or you can group it by resources. Group by resource. You can group it by material. So you can group it by different types and apply it. So there are some tasks which you have to highlight there is similar method for highlighting. There is no need to be anything different. For example, I want to highlight the milestone. So what happened to this milestone? It got highlighted. Similarly, you have to highlight any other critical task. So critical tasks will get highlighted, that it is easy to see you. So this is used for that. After that, we have to sort it by finish date or by start date. We have to sort it. Now the group has been formed here, but we have to sort it. So you can choose between the sort by finish date, start date or cost. You can choose the time period and the cost accordingly. And you can also choose the multiple options you want to use in ascending or descending. All the methods are available in this. According to that, your task will be added and you can update accordingly. So this way your sorting and grouping is done by resource or any option you want from status completed, late or future. Task means which one to complete next. So all these things you can use. Add custom attributes. You can add multiple types of groups by buying new group, or you can convert them if you want, if you have any doubt. You perform it once and you will know what exactly is this simple option are there, which you will get in data in view. Data in which you can apply different types of filters, and these filters are not only applied here. You can apply those filters in calendars. You can apply those filters in network diagram. The same filter you apply in Gantt tracking. So you can apply these filters and group at every place so that you can easily find out the task or select the task. Okay.